this, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because the vision is softly creeping, but it sees while I'm sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, the halo of the street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed out of their shallow neon light. Let's leave the night. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one there is there the sound of a silence. Fool that I do not know. Silence like a cancer rose. In my hope that I might touch you. Take my heart that I might tell you. But my words, like silence when dogs fail, an echo in the wells of silence, and the people bow and pray to the neon garden, and the silence out its warning in the words of it was spoken, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on a subway wall. Telephone, the sound of silence. Thanks to Cab, Garfunkel Jr., and the one and only Garfunkel.